According to the Uganda National Examinations Board, a total of 141,996 candidates registered for the 2024 UACE examinations, compared to 110,566 candidates in 2023, an increase of 28.4% from 2,255 centers. Of these, 61,957 were females, while 80,039 were males, and 140,888 candidates appeared for the examination, compared to 109,486 in 2023.
Of these candidates that registered, 61,957 or 43.6% were females, and 80,039 or 56.4% were males. And of the increased candidature, the males accounted for 53.1% or 16,695 of those candidates.
Of the total registered candidates in 2024, 54,338 candidates obtained 3 principal passes, 37,935 2 principal passes, and 29,233 obtained 1 principal pass. Students who obtained 1 subsidiary pass were 17,750, whereas 1,632 failed. According to UNEB Executive Director Dan Odongo, 92,273 candidates qualify for admissions to universities, having obtained 2 principal passes, compared to 80,816 candidates in 2023. He says 121,506 qualify for admission to other tertiary institutions after obtaining 1 principal pass and 2 subsidiary pass levels, with 98.8 qualifying for the award of UACE.
University admissions to degree courses have, up to date, been considering 2 principal level passes as a minimum requirement. And Mama, if this consideration is maintained, 92,273 percent, rather number of 92,273 or 65.5% will qualify to be admitted, compared to 80,816, that is 73.8% in 2023.
In terms of performance by gender, 26,928 female candidates obtained 3 principal passes, compared to 27,410 males. 16,962 females obtained 2 principal passes, compared to 20,973 males. 11,058 female candidates scored 1 principal pass, compared to 18,175 males, compared to 18,175 males. 6,212 obtained 1 subsidiary pass, compared to 11,538 males, and 438 females failed, compared to 1,194 males. Generally, female candidates performed better than the male candidates. At principal pass level A to E, there was an improvement in economics, literature and English, physics and biology, with the number of candidates registering and appearing for mathematics and the sciences gradually increasing, as explained by UNEB Executive Director.
The number of candidates registering and appearing for mathematics and sciences, which the chair has called the STEM subjects, are gradually increasing, as we have shown in Table 6. Mathematics has the largest increase. However, overall, the numbers have remained well below half of the total candidature. The low pass rates in sciences at UCE level probably explains the low numbers transitioning to UACE level for those subjects.
The number of female entries for mathematics has significantly grown from 14,654 in 2023 to 19,863, whereas female entries from physics also increased from 3,804 in 2023 to 5,836. 10,533 females registered for chemistry compared to 7,339 in 2023, whereas 9,619 registered for biology compared to 7,130 in 2023. Odongo revealed key areas of improved performance and drops, majorly in entrepreneurship education, Christian religious education, geography, mathematics, and others, attributing this to a number of reasons, such as poor question interpretation of humanities.
In the humanities, the problems continue to be poor interpretation of questions due to misunderstanding the key concepts that determine the expected responses by the candidates. In history, for example, inadequate critical thinking skills limited the candidates' ability to analyze historical views.
Story compiled by John Baptist Sahumuza for Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.